how to fix Steam Captcha error. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Steam Captcha error on your PC. So make sure to watch till the end and let's get started. If you're trying to verify your account on Steam and the CAPTCHA isn't working or showing an error, here's what you need to do. Open your browser and click the three dots at the top right corner. Hover over History, then click on History again. Now on the left side, click Clear Browsing Data. Set the time range to all time. Make sure all boxes are checked, especially cookies and cached files. Remember to save your passwords first if needed. Click on Clear Data, and once done, try logging into Steam again. This fixes the issue for most people. If that didn't work, go back to your desktop. Click on Search and type Run. Open the Run app and in the box type %temp%. Then press Enter. This opens the temp folder. Now press Ctrl+ to select all files. Then press the Delete key to remove everything. After that, make sure to empty your recycle bin as well. Now try completing the CAPTCHA again on Steam. It should work properly. That's all for the video. If this helped you fix the Steam CAPTCHA error, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.